In today's video, I'm going to show you the best eSIM in Bulgaria so you can get 5G or 4G mobile data in this country with instant activation. So according to coverage and prices, Maya Mobile offers the best possible conditions. And if you're going to use my link in the description, you'll come to this page and you'll get 10% discount for all the plans you see here. And the first thing you need to know is that you can customize your plan here. So you can select the number of days, and also you can select the number of data you'd like to get. So 3, 5, 10 gigabytes or unlimited eSIM for whole Europe, which is insanely good, and you can definitely find it right up here. So all you need to do is just select the number of days and then select the necessary plan. Let's say I'd like to get 10 gigabytes for 10 days. We can click on activate, and the next step what we need to do is to select the activation day. And of course, I recommend you to enable auto recharge. So if you'll use all the data, you can get an additional package automatically. So it's pretty useful as for me. Then click on review and pay. And the next step you need to do is to create an account. And basically you can add your email and phone number to receive the QR code. And the last step is to add your card details, PayPal or Google Pay, and pay this amount of money. So on this page you'll get a discount, as I said, 10% off. So instead of $13 you'll have to pay like a little bit less than $12, which is insanely good. So as you can see, everything is quite simple and really fast. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.